There once were three guys on a midnight ride on the river they call Rappahannock. The place where they had 4 days they would bed, some on tents, some on yetis and hammocks. With a shitload of beer and some camping gear, the green Coleman canoe was not empty. The one vessel fleet had traveled 6 feet before the craft was no longer steady. The boat leaned to the side, Jay started to slide off the cooler on which he was sitting. They turned that boat round, back to dry ground. The crew knew the clocks were all ticking. They removed some freight and displaced some weight and left newly reloaded for the island. They would make it before the midnight bell rang, plan intact like a virgin's hymen. The moon was aloft and provided a light as they paddled toward Nirvana. All three men knew, as their friends did too, they were only doing this 'cause they wanna get to the island and say, we're here on Tuesday, the earliest arrival on record. They were there not yet, had some distance to get on the face of the peaceful river. In the dark, they couldn't see Gary's house or the trees. The moon shone which way they were heading. At 11:50 p.m. they looked up again and saw the outline of Brennan's short shelter. They paddled in, the faces had grins, for they knew what they were about to do. The moon was bright just before midnight when they docked the green Coleman canoe. Three of us know just how good it feels to drink Miller Lite on a Tuesday. Island sand at your feet, island sky at your head, with two of your friend, one of who's gay. 15 others will follow sometime this week, and we'll party hard by the water. We'll all play games, the gay one gets called names in a note that he got from his daughter. We're here to stay until we leave on Sunday. Some of us will be hungover. This party is great, and so to relate, it's like having a 5-day-long boner. So as we leave now, we're tired yet proud that we partied too hard to remember. They are quiet now, but the voices get loud, saying we should do this again in November.